Giving you everything, all the joy can bring. This I swear, and all that I want from you is a promise you will be there.
Last time that we had this conversation, I decided we could be friends. But now we're going round in circles saying, will this deja vu never end?
Now you're saying that you've fallen in love. Well, I never ever thought this could be. This time, gotta take it easy. Throwing far too much emotions at me. But any fool can see they're falling. Gotta make you understand. I'm giving you everything, all that joy can bring. This I swear, and all that I want from you is a promise you'll be there.
If you put two and two together, you would see what our friendship is.